5 steps to do spray painting on glass bottles. 1. Cleaning and pre-treatment. Before spray painting glass bottles, it is necessary to clean and pre-treat them to remove impurities such as dirt, grease, and moisture from the glass surface and ensure good conductivity on the glass surface. 2. Primer coating. The purpose of primer coating is to enhance adhesion, wear resistance, and corrosion resistance of the coating. Primer coating is usually done using electrostatic spray painting, which ensures even adhesion of the primer to the glass surface. The thickness of the primer is generally 20 to 30 micrometers. 3. Paint spraying. Paint spraying is the core part of the glass bottle spray painting process and determines the final appearance of the glass bottle. Paint spraying is typically done using electrostatic spray painting, which ensures even adhesion of the paint to the glass surface. The thickness of the paint is generally 50 to 100 micrometers. For semi-transparent coatings, the paint is typically sprayed twice, with each layer having a thickness of 25 to 50 micrometers. For solid color coatings, the paint is typically sprayed 3 times, with each layer having a thickness of 25 to 30 micrometers. 4. High-temperature curing. High-temperature curing is the final and most important step in the glass bottle spray painting process. Its purpose is to melt and solidify the resin in the coating to form a strong and durable film. High-temperature curing is generally carried out at temperatures between 120 to 200 degrees Celsius for a duration of 15 to 30 minutes. 5. Quality inspection and post-processing. After spraying, the glass bottles need to undergo quality inspection to ensure they meet quality requirements. Quality inspection typically includes the following aspects: uniformity of the coating, thickness of the coating, color of the coating, adhesion of the coating. The spray painting process for glass bottles is widely used in the food and beverage, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and daily chemical industries. If you have any custom requirements for glass packaging products, Femio is ready to assist.